Warning, this is a pest control video and it will show pests being controlled with air rifles. If this is likely to offend you, then please stop watching now. For the rest of you who like these type of videos, let's get on with the action. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Pontypool Pest Control. In today's video we're going to be returning to the pig farm. Last time we was here the place was crawling with rats, so it's time for the sheriff and the deputy to hand out some more eviction notices and to help thin out the numbers. The main spot for the rats was around the food source, but the grass was too long, giving them the perfect place to hide. But not today, suckers. We decided to call back with a grass trimmer to stop them from hiding. The kit that we're going to be using in this video is one that I've been using for a while now, and I really do like this combo. It's the Vulcan 2 in 177 caliber and the Pad 008 LRF. And the pellet choice is going to be the Bisley Magnum's 10.65 grains, just to give that extra punch on impact. Lately my videos have been getting a lot more views, and a lot more people down in the comment section. At the moment my favourite hater's comment is, "You shoot too slow. Just pull the trigger. The rat died of boredom." Well, to all you haters, if you're shooting just as fast as this, you're either single or a shit shot. When taking a shot, it's all about timing and the control. Also threading it in tight spaces to hit the perfect spot. Before we get into the action, there's only one thing left to do. Let Callum have a chat to the pigs and find out the feeding times for the rats. Sadly, it's that time again. We're at the end of the video. Thank you very much to everyone who's made it this far. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel and would like to see more rat action, then you should consider subscribing, not to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I look forward to chatting to you all in the comments. If you would like to see what else I get up to or fancy a private chat, you can also find me over on Instagram. In my next video, I'll do the free giveaway. Good luck to everyone who's entered, and thank you very much for your support. And a big thank you to Lambert Shooting Sports for doing the free giveaway and letting us test their rifles. Thank you very much for watching. Keep safe. All the best, Pontypool Pest Control, aka the Sheriff.